guys are coming to my channel for the first time, I am Renee from Renee's Garden, and I am so thankful that you guys have come to support me on my channel, and I truly appreciate it. And for my subscribers that have been with me from day one, you know I love you, and I am deeply honored that you are still coming back to see what little old Miss Renee is doing over here in her garden and also in her kitchen and all the other many things that I'm getting into, like shopping. You know, I'm always in the streets trying to give you guys the 411 on what's happening out there in the streets, on great deals and steals that I'm finding. Well, without further ado, this video is about my update on my extracts, because I don't know about you guys, but next month is going to be Christmas. And what do we do a lot in Christmas other than shopping? Child, we're going to be in the kitchen baking up all kinds of goodies. And it's going to be time for Miss Renee to use some of those homemade extracts that she has been working on for months and months and months. Yep, my extracts, I'm going to be able to use them very soon. So I wanted to bring you down, see that, to show you how my extracts are doing. So let me open up this first box, and this box has my vanilla extracts that I started back in June. Remember, I made 4 of those. So here are my vanilla extracts, and they are looking so good. These bad boys, I started these on June 6th. So these extracts are ready to be used in my upcoming videos of cooking cookies, cakes, whatever I need extracts in, vanilla. Trust and believe, your girl gonna be pulling out these bottles. And this is my orange extract. And look at the color of the orange extract. They are ready to go. I am so excited about using this extract. I'm gonna find new recipe that calls for orange extract, and I am going to make it up, and I am definitely going to be so happy to use this extract. And then I also made a lemon extract. Look at the lemon. I've been shaking them up every day, and this is what the lemon extract is looking like. Look at that. Look at the color of it. Isn't that such a beautiful color? And remember, we did the taste test, and I was like, whoo, this is some powerful extract. So you know, when the recipe calls for like 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons, your girl is only going to need to use 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, because this extract that you made on your own, they are so powerful that you're not going to need a lot. And remember, I made a peppermint extract. This is what the peppermint extract looks like. I still have to put the label on it. Look at that. And we're going to have to do a taste test on another video of this peppermint. Look at that. The color looks amazing. You can see it better when you look at that from a side view. Look at that. And then I made an almond extract. Remember the almond extract? I gotta add some more almonds, but that is what the almond extract looks like. Look at that. Beautiful. And remember I said it's cheaper to make your own extracts rather than to go in the store and purchase these extracts. Because you're going to get that little bitty bottle about this big for $10, $12, and you can get a big, huge bottle of extract that you have made yourself, and it's going to triple, double the amount of those little baby jars that you get. And that's the almonds down at the bottom. Look at that. But that's the extract. So I just wanted to bring you this update on how my extracts are doing, how they're looking, and soon, we're going to be cooking with these extracts, baby. I am so excited. So if you have not thought about making extract, I'm hoping this video will inspire you to say, hey, I can do that. Because all you have to do is get some almonds, some vodka, put it in a bottle. Well, they normally say they want you to be in the darker colored bottles, but they didn't have those when I purchased these off of Amazon, so I got the clear ones, and I have just been putting them into a box and putting them in a dark place, so they do just as fine as the colored ones. So don't let that deter you. Don't let that stop you, because you can do it. And I am here to encourage you, to give you the motivation that may get you hyped up and say, I can do it too, Renee. So, yep, you can do it. Just get you some almonds, some vodka, bottle, put it in there, shake it every day. Like 6 months later, you're going to have your own extract. And when you're going through them grocery stores and you're looking at all those expensive extracts on the shelves, you can say, ha, I don't have to buy you. And you can just push your little cart past that and say, because I have a whole collection of my own extract. And you know what? That makes you feel so good, because all that money that you see for like $10 and something, like if you brought like 3 of them, that's $30. Homemade extract. And the amount that you get, a whole lot cheaper. Alright, I hope this video inspired someone out there that they can make their own extracts too. Look at me. I've got like 6 different kinds of extracts. And now, like I said, when the holiday season comes, your girl is ready. I am ready to get to cooking and enjoying knowing that I have made my own extracts, and I can feel good about putting this in my own bakery goods that I'll be making this holiday season. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, if I can do it, you can do it. Get out there and make your own extracts, and then make a video so I can see you and cheer you on, knowing that you're on your way to having a whole new collection of extracts. All right, you guys, take care, and I love each and every one of you, and happy holidays, because they're coming up next month. Woohoo! All right, guys, take care. Don't forget, you can make your own extracts too. If I can do it, you can do it. So get out there and make those extracts. All right, guys, take care.